Hey there and welcome to my channel. My name is Filian and here is an easy, simple, fresh makeup look for online class or meetings. Without further ado, let's get started. First step is to moisturize. I also moisturize my lips using petroleum jelly. I didn't have concealer, so I'm using a blending sunblock to hide all dark spots, especially my Gucci eye bags. My forehead has been breaking out lately since I keep on eating ice cream, but I'm pretty sure it will pass. After blending the sunblock, I am now going to shape my eyebrows with brow soap. Thankfully, I have thick eyebrows that I don't need to fill in, but you can fill in yours if you like. For eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply a wash of this orange shade all over the eyelid to keep it simple. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes. Now it's time to apply mascara. I am using the Rilakkuma by Kiss Kylie Waterproof Mascara. My sister gave this to me not long ago and I really like it. As you can see, it does not clump and creates enough volume. I also applied the product to my lower lashes. For cheeks, I am using one of my favorites, which is a water tint by Happy Skin in shade Chill. I place more tint than usual since I am going to apply powder next, so don't worry about me looking like a clown right now. I'm gently dabbing the powder with a cushion all over my face and neck. Last but not the least, I will be spreading a gel tint on my lips. And this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Stay safe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!